you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received Glitter Bitch. This is the second box ever made. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my Glitter Bitch box just arrived. And again, this is the very second box that has ever been made. So I'm very excited to see what's inside. Not last month, but the last bi-month, because this is a bi-monthly box, so you get it every 2 months, so 6 boxes a year, was okay. It was definitely different. It was something that I wanted to bring to show you guys so you know what it's all about. So let's see what this month or this bi-monthly box is going to bring. So if you don't know about Glitter Bitch and you missed my very first unboxing, Glitter Bitch is packed with unique, fabulous, and fun products handpicked by Trisha Paytas. And there's supposed to be 7+ items in each box with a retail value of $150 or more. And it's only available in the US and Canada. More countries will be adding soon. Box to box plan, which again is bi-monthly, is $59.99 a box plus free shipping. Semi-annual, you get 3 boxes, which would be $164, which makes it $54.99 a box. Or annual prepaid is 6 boxes for the entire year for $299.94, which makes it $49.94 per box. Sign up for Glitter Bitch box subscribers and receive a new box packed with super fun Hollywood quality beauty products, lifestyle items, and accessories every 2 months. All items curated by Trisha and delivered directly to your home. This did have a mailer bag that I did remove, and this is what is inside. Now I know the first one, I know she was saying in some video that she was going to change her image inside. Oh, that is exactly the same from last month, but she did say she wanted to change this image every box, which my box is exactly the same as the very first one. So I don't know if she's still planning on doing that or what, but that looks exactly like, from what I remember, that looks exactly like the one that we got before. So this is what it looks like when you first get your box. Here's the card. And there is the tissue paper that says Glitter Bitch with a Glitter Bitch sticker. So let's get our Glitter Bitch on and see. So it does go over the products back here. So let's go ahead and break into this bad boy and see what we have. Okay, so once I open it, this is what the presentation inside looks like right there. So let's go ahead and go with the top thing right on top that we all can see is a palette. And it says Glam Light Miracle, 12 luxury eyeshadows. And that's what it looks like back there. Glam Light palette is $28 is the retail value. The Miracle palette is a tribute to all of the brave women in the world who have been affected by breast cancer. Glam Light donates 10% of the proceeds to fund breast cancer research. That is an amazing cause. That is an amazing cause. And let's get this opened. Okay, because see, like right here where it says Miracle, the eye, I don't know if you can see that, is actually the pink cancer ribbon. So let's get this, and it is on the front of the package right there as well. So that is amazing. I love that. Okay, and these aren't bad shades. It has a mirror on the bottom, and there is the different colors. Let me go ahead and swatch these for you. Okay, you guys, so there, let me move this tissue paper that's crinkling in your ear. There is the entire palette right there. That looks like very pretty colors. So I'm excited about that, to try that out. I mean, it is pretty much colors that I do kind of use every day. So that is awesome. And I love the fact that they are helping breast cancer awareness. That is the main thing that I'm really loving about this palette. So let's go ahead and dive into the next item. Right here is Clean It Zero Cleansing Balm Original. And this is valued at $19. This 3-in-1 cleansing balm original is a hypoallergenic cleanser that transforms the sherbet-like texture into smooth oil when applied to your skin. Developed to remove even waterproof makeup and all of your skin's impurities in just one step. So let's get this guy opened and see. Okay, so on top looks like maybe like, I wonder, that's probably like a little scooper outer that you put on top once you open it, I'm assuming. A scooper outer. Okay. So that is what the consistency looks like. I just touched that. So that little mark there that you saw for a second was my finger. And it is like, I'm not sure about the sherbet situation, but it is like it looks like a balm. It kind of smells like sherbet. Either that or I have sherbet in my head because it said sherbet. It does smell like a fruity scent. It does smell good. I give it that. It does really smell good. So there's that. Yes, it does smell good. So I'm going to assume, I hate assuming, but I'm going to assume that this goes on top of the lid. Like, yep, to close it. Yep, that fits it perfectly. So that's the lid to put on top with the little spoon so you can scoop it out when you use it. And it looks like you can scan, that looks like some form of a magnet. I don't know why you would put this somewhere, but it says step 1, offline, step 2, offline, and check the color change response by contacting the magnet placed inside the box. Color pattern changes by magnet direction. I don't know what that is all supposed to do, but color pattern changes by magnet direction. And then you can check the authenticity with the QR reader. I'm not sure about this color changing thing. I'm gonna see if you can see, let's see if you can see this. When you move the magnet behind this little circle, it changes colors like by lines slightly. I don't know if you're gonna be able to pick that up, but it kind of changes color. That's weird. I've never seen something like that. Huh, I was like, what is there a magnet? Why do you want to hang this on your refrigerator? No, it's to check for the authenticity. That's kind of cool. So we have this really neat looking, good smelling cleanser. So I'll go ahead and keep that like that. Then next we have is like a beauty blender, and it says Glitter Bitch right on the front of the packaging, and it is just a pink egg shaped beauty blender. And this says Glitter Bitch makeup sponge, retailed for $5. Pink makeup sponge is the perfect foundation application, latex free, eco-friendly, washable, and reusable. So there is that guy right there. Next in here we have, ooh, so this looks like a lip gloss with her logo right on the actual lid. And this is Glitter Bitch lip gloss, retailed for $16. Get luscious lips with Trisha's own sparkly lip gloss formula. It smells really good. I'm not gonna lie, that smells really good. So it's just a, you're not even probably gonna see it, it's just a lip gloss with a little bit of glitter in it. I feel the grains of glitter, so that's a lot of glitter to fill it. Yep, so I have a little bit of glitter going on my lips. Okay, you guys, so moving right along, we have this Body Cantina Pretty in Pink Bath Bomb, and this says let's see and coconut, I'm not sure, but there's the label right there. This is Body Cantina Bath Bomb, retails for $8. So there's the front, and this says Body Cantina Bath Bomb, retails for $8, handmade in Hollywood. This amazing pink bath bomb will create a rainbow of colors in your bathtub, creating a soothing and glamorous experience. Make sure you follow the directions carefully for the optimal adventure, especially important to lower it slowly into the water. And it says cruelty free. So there's that guy right there. Now we have, here is, what's in here? This guy is glitter, of course. Moon Dust Chunky Glitter. So here is the glitter. And this one says that this retails for $9.99. Get sparkly with this unique glitter bitch blend. Vegan and cruelty free, body safe, non-toxic, hand mixed and made in Los Angeles, California. Can be used on skin, hair, and nails. And I don't do a lot with glitter, so I will definitely set this aside for one of you guys in a future giveaway. And then it looks like the last item is going to be this cup. Is there a straw somewhere in here? Yes, here is a straw. So it says glitter bitch right there, and it has glitter, so you can kind of see. Let me set the lid down. Will it move? Oh, it moved all the way to the end. Okay, so see all of this glitter here? You can actually move the glitter because now it's down here. So there's that. And in the lid, you can see the glitter moving around as well. So that's kind of cool that the glitter moves with it. I mean, it all settles to the bottom of this bad boy, but you do have it moving and grooving on the lid itself. And let's set this in here. And there's that. So that is really cute, very pink, sparkly, glitter bitchy. And this guy here says Glitter Bitch Tumbler, retails for $15. Look like the queen you are when quenching your thirst with this amazing and sparkly tumbler. Double walled and BPA free, hand wash is recommended. So there's that. So that is everything that came in this bi-monthly box. If you were to ask me, I do think this one is a little bit better than the last one. Last one we had like a little purse that I ended up putting in a giveaway with a whole bunch of glitter and a glitter like face mask. There was a whole bunch of stuff I put in a giveaway, where this one, I'm definitely gonna put this in a future giveaway, this in a future giveaway, and this in a future giveaway, because I don't use bath bombs, I don't use foundation, and I don't really care for glitter, but I wanted to get this to show you guys what these boxes are all about. Hey guys, I just wanted to let you know really quick that when I got my first box and I got the research off of the website, it said that everything would be valued at $150 or more. This particular box, when I added it up, it comes to $100.99. So I'm like, that's like missing $49. So I went back to the website and I searched all over the website, and now it does not even say a box value when it did in the beginning, because that's where I got my information, is I copy and paste information from the companies and I printed, and that's what I tell you guys. So apparently from the first box to this box, something has changed and now they don't have the value on there anymore, and this box is valued at $199. Yes, it is still over the cost of the box that we paid, but it is not what it was guaranteed when it first was launched. So just saying. Now, I did buy a 6-month subscription, which is 3 boxes. This is my second box. So in 2 more months, because again, it's bi-monthly, I will receive another box. And at that point, I will think about it, ask you guys what I should do, if I should get another subscription or find something else. I don't quite know, but I did want to at least bring this to show you guys what this box was all about. I do think this one is so much better. I do like the palette. The cleanser I'm really excited to try, and the lip gloss is really nice, but I do feel all the glitter like in my lips. I feel like I have like things hanging, but it's just because of all the glitter. And I do actually really like this tumbler. So half of it I do like, and half of it I will be putting in a future giveaway for one of you guys. So it is definitely a win-win in my book. So you guys, comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this box? Did you think this was better than my last box? Do you like this box? Do you want to continue seeing this box on my channel? Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly appreciate it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Then you'll be able to see the different videos that I load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.